Hey there, what does Rudolph and this 3D printer have in common? Boy, that's campy. They can both save Christmas. And here's how. If you, and there's still time, get to your local microcenter and pick up a 3D printer and some inland filament, you can 3D print some cool gifts that we'll talk about today in this video. We found them all on makerworld.com, Bambu Labs' own 3D printing website, and we'll tell you about how we made them, what we used to make them, and what they do. So the first print we have on our list today are these awesome 3D printed two-color microcenter coasters. We used our Inland PET G Plus to print these, so they do a little bit better with the heat. And we got a really nice finish between the two colors. It almost looks injection molded, kind of. And if you like this type of idea, if you want to learn how to make coasters like this yourself, comment down below and we can do a video on how we use the Bambu Labs slicer to get this effect between two STL files. So I use it to put on my favorite microcenter mug here and enjoy my favorite drink. Oh, that's not right. It was supposed to be the chocolate filament. So for this next print, you and or a loved one or somebody you know may be getting an Apple Watch for Christmas. And the Apple Watch normally comes with its traditional little white puck charger, but a way to make it fancier is with 3D printing. So we've 3D printed this cool stand. It's 3D printed in that orientation. We'll stand it up. We'll magically grab our watch puck and we'll go ahead and just insert it in, run the cable down the back. And now you've got a fancy, cool, new Apple Watch charger stand. Et voila. We know a lot of people are getting the brand new Quest 3 for the holidays, so one thing you could 3D print is a brand new stand for your Quest and its controllers. Let's see how this works. Just like that. Simple, elegant, and no assembly required. It even has a nice little spot on the back to hold your charging cable. Ha-ha! So with Christmas just around the corner, you're gonna be eating some fancy foods and you might just need a toothpick. So we've got this great little toothpick holder here. Look at how that works, amazing, every time. So the assembly on this toothpick holder was pretty straightforward. We did use our Bambu A1 to print this in the multiple parts, and we did some color painting on a few of the parts so that there were a few color swaps, not too many, but it did go together pretty easy. We did use a little bit of a percussive maintenance on getting some of these in, but not too bad at all. And you can kind of see just how springy it is. So this last print is probably the most fun one to put together and the most fun one to use. This is a 48:1 planetary gear ratio toroidal, one of those, launcher. It uses a whole bunch of gears inside, and when you turn this one turn, this outer piece actually turns 48 times, 48:1, right? So basically you put it all together using the different little planetary and sun gears, and once you slide it all together, you'll basically have this launcher, which you can turn once you've put the toroidal fin propeller. Haha. And remember, you can do all this with the new Bambu Lab A1 Combo that we've got in stores at your local microcenter. If you've made it this far in the video, make sure, as always, to hashtag #IWantAMicrocenter near me, and leave comments below with your favorite holiday prints that you found, whether it's printables, Maker World, or even the old-fashioned Thingiverse. And we'll see you next time in the Maker Lab at Microcenter. That was the lens. Oh, wow, 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 wow.